If you are looking for a healthy alternative to clear your psoriasis, I hope my experience with clearing my own psoriasis and the numerous blogs I've written will be useful information to assist you on your own healing journey. My book Psoriasis: A Simple Cure, Who Knew? Is a bestseller on Amazon. It tells my story of how difficult it was living with 75% of my skin covered in red scaly plugs. Today my skin is clear. I have written these blogs so that you have free information to what I have learned over the past 6 years, how I cleared my skin and how I continue to maintain healthy clear skin. Learning what made my psoriasis flare and what foods affected my psoriasis was key. I learned that adding baking soda to my daily drinking water and eating mostly alkaline foods enabled me to start to heal. Himalayan salt and alkaline salt has replaced all my other salts. Learning that lemons, limes and grapefruits are a non-acid fruit. Who knew? I gave up sugar years ago when I realized it was causing my skin to break out and cause psoriatic arthritis in my ankles. Giving up sugar was a major turning point. Keeping my body alkaline and not acidic was something I had to learn. I have blogs on what foods I eat, recipes that work, how herbs heal. I have blogs on kale, leeks, traveling, bathing, sleeping with psoriasis. Keeping your clothing psoriasis-friendly. Do the tags of clothes bother you like they do me? If you're looking for a healthy alternative to clearing your skin of psoriasis without drugs or expensive supplements, I know this worked for me. You may have to find your own triggers, what foods cause your psoriasis to flare. It is a process and it takes time, but I was successful. I wish you safe healing. All these blogs are free and available now on my website, psoriasisthesimplecure.com.